A very good evening. This is Abigail R. Carmelin bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. About 2,000 young athletes participated last weekend in the sports days organized by the Salesians in the Spanish cities of La Almunia and Arevalo. For many children, adolescents and young adults, sport is a fun activity, a moment of exercise, meeting with friends in an environment of creativity and self-fulfillment, all important factors for the balance of their personality. In La Almunia on Saturday 1st June, more than 1,000 participants filled the Salesian facilities to compete in different sports such as basketball, indoor football, volleyball and futsal. In the evening, the award ceremony and closing ceremony took place. In Arevalo too, there were more than 1,000 young athletes engaged in sports such as football, handball, volleyball and basketball. Consultation meetings began to elect the new provincial of the Salesians in Paraguay on Saturday 25th May with the arrival of Father Gabriel Romero, councillor for the America South Cone region. The consultation was convened by the Rector Major through a letter addressed to the province on the occasion of the feast of St. Francis de Sales. The provincial consultation took place in a series of 3 meetings in which the objective was to gather the reflection and response of each Salesian of the PAR province. The first took place on Saturday 25th May in the city of Coronel Oviedo, where the communities of Minga, Guazu, Ipacaray and Coronel Oviedo participated. In a joint effort of solidarity and support, the Salesian family in the south of Brazil has mobilized to help those displaced by the recent floods in Rio Grande do Sul. Several activities were carried out by volunteers, groups of the Salesian family and other associated institutions, which stood out for their organization and effectiveness in providing assistance to victims. In the municipality of Viamão, the Novo Lar work, with the support of the parish dedicated to St. John Mary Vianney, continues to prepare hundreds of meals every day for the flooded population. The celebration of the 50th anniversary of the foundation of the Anahuac Center of the Salesian Cooperators and the renewal of the promise of 27 members of the association took place Saturday 25th May in the city of Muralía, state of Michoacán. The Eucharist was celebrated by Father Jose Luis Anguano, SDB, and the renewal of the promise was welcomed by Agustin Leopoldo Bautista Cisneros and Maria Guadalupe Lopez Colmenares, ASC Provincial Councillors for Administration and Formation respectively. They were accompanied by Sister Carmen Rodriguez Maldonado FMA, Delegate of Local Work, by the entire FMA community of work and by the other groups of the Salesian family active in Salesian work. On 1st June, the theatre at the Don Bosco School in Altamira hosted Bosco 2024, an event that brought together more than 400 people to celebrate the talent and hope of young Venezuelans. Organized by the Don Bosco Oratory in Altamira and Izacar, Bosco involved young people from the Salesian youth movement in Caracas, the Salesian family and the Maria Auxiliadora and Madre Mucala Don Bosco Popular Technical Schools under the motto, "The Dream That Makes Us Dance." Young people demonstrated their skills in dance and music. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.